Hi, welcome to the Adventurous Beaded Bracelet, Part 2, adding on the coloured passive threads. Now I've got these in order so that they'll go on in a shaded effect on this one. I did them in rainbow like that, I did them in two different colours there, and now I'm going to add 8 threads on with a colour graduation working on the way in. So, this is where I'm starting with. I've got a temporary pin just stuck off to one side there. My passives have got one twist on coming out of the plait where we finished earlier, and these passives are going rainbow fashion around that temporary pin in between the two workers. So I'm starting with a blue, a light blue, a lavender and a cerise. I know these aren't rainbows, but I'm doing a different colourway for this one. So it looks a bit strange with them being laid over the worker pair, but when this pin is taken out and these threads slide down, they'll end up in the middle, so don't worry about them looking a bit odd there to start with. I'll zoom into that so that you can see how they lay. Okay? Right, so using the worker pair, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. I'm only going over the two of the pairs. Using the other worker, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. Now that's brought them into the two workers together, so I'm going to do a half stitch, cross, twist. I'm going to put a pin up in the next pinhole at the top and cross, twist again another half stitch to finish. I'm not going to take these down yet because they're still a bit on the delicate side where they're hung. I'm going to work the worker back out. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, 2 twists and put up the outside pin. I'm going to do the other side before I tension that one. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, twist, twist, and put up another pin in the next hole on that side. Now then I can tension the workers, and I'm going to take out this pin. I haven't left much thread between the pin and the centre, so they shouldn't get caught around the other pins. Right, so I'm going to keep the tension on the workers. I'm just going to gradually slide down each of these threads. There we go. I'm going to work back through now, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross to the centre, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, and at the centre I'm going to put that pin back in a temporary hole, and I'm going to add the next 4, which are not sure what you call this pink, maybe some kind of salmony pink, maybe? Again, I'm placing these over all the other threads on one side. See? Over. The next one is a pale pink. And that goes inside the 2 salmon pinks. Then I've got a tan colour. And then I have a yellow, a soft yellow. I'm using the colours I've got rather than the colours I've bought because I don't have many colours. Right, so this is the second lot of 4, and we're going to do the same as we did with the first lot of 4 pairs. So this pair of workers has already worked through those original 4. I'm going to work through these. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. Same on the other side. Take the worker pair, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. You put your 2 workers in the middle again, cross, twist, do a half stitch, put the pin up in the next pinhole, cross, twist, and then work back out to the outside, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cloth stitch, cloth stitch, twist, twist in the next hole. It is easy with a spread of colour to keep your bobbins in the right order, because you can see as soon as one has gone and jumped over one of the others. 2 twists on the edge, put up the pin, and with the outside workers tensioned, I'm going to take out the pin from the extra passives that we've just put in, and these 4 first ones have already been tensioned, so I'll tension down from these and just pull those loops in, and as if by magic one of the little loops, a cheeky little thing, has gone and gone round a pin just when I said they wouldn't. Right, there you go. Okay, I think they're all down now. Now then, that's the centre. I'm going to work through cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. Same on the other side, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. So both pairs are now in the centre. Tensioned the centres down, tensioned the passives down, and what I will say at this point, you do need to keep an eye that you're tensioning both these at the same point, because it's very easy when you're putting the beads in to tension one side and then the other side ends up with a bit of a wriggle on it. So just make sure that both sides are tensioned evenly, and you can see the colourway starting to appear on this one. Next video we'll be adding the beads. I hope this has helped some way so far. Okay, bye for now.